Robinhood Portfolio.
Back talking about the portfolio again. It's been a pretty bad couple of days. We definitely had some drop off here. Nothing too crazy overall in the week, just down almost 1%, $20. Ended up moving quite a bit of shares out of workhorse. I think last week I had over 117, I want to say, something like that. Ended up selling all of them. I really didn't feel like workhorse was going to be able to keep rising the price. So I followed my gut instinct and I sold it all off for $4, which I'm pretty happy about. As you can see today, this is Tuesday. Yesterday it ended at about $4. Today it's down to $3.65. It might be a good point to get back in, but I'm really just kind of holding off and seeing where this might fall. Longevity and workhorse, I could see them being up overall, but right now just not really feeling it. Ended up making about 65% on them overall, so it was a good time to get out and just move on. What I did end up doing was, instead of holding on to workhorse, I ended up buying a share of Tesla. I got it for about $3.85, which was actually at the peak here. It's okay. I'm looking to hold this stock for a very long time. Although I should have waited and followed my gut instinct and waited to see what was going to happen next. And as you can see now, they're down about another $22, which would be a good entrance point. But regardless, I'll be holding them for a very long time. And I look forward to actually following Tesla a little bit closer because they're just such an exciting company. Other than that, I ended up picking up a couple more shares of AMD, picked up 8 more shares of Cara, and believe me when I say Cara has been amazing. The past week has been 55%. I have an overall cost of $21.77, and now they're at $26.66. So, another $5 there. I do expect them to continue to rise. As you can see, I'll show you their website here, and what you have here are 5 squares. The first square is preclinical trials, and you have phase 1, 2, and 3, and then you have the final square, which is them marketing. And as you can see, the IV CR845 post-op pain is right on the fringe, about to be marketed. The oral version is entering phase 3. Oral version CR701 is entering phase 1, and we've got another one entering marketing and another one entering phase 2. I feel that as 845 has already been proven in its post-op pain, it will continue to be approved in the other ones like oral and IV pruritus. It's done very well. The reading, I think, is just great. I see this company doing very well in the future, and I plan on owning more. I just kind of wish I had bought more when they were under $15. Started buying around $17, but I do expect this company to continue to climb, continue to buy even under $30. I'm not too worried about this company. I think they're great. If you haven't read about them, I would definitely go forward and check out a few articles. I can't imagine you reading 1 or 2 articles and saying, no, this company doesn't really have any prospect, because everything I read just looks freaking great. AMD is down overall. The past week has been still up, but overall still kind of down the last 2 days. I will be scooping up a couple more shares of this for sure once I get paid again. And I will probably end up scooping up a little bit more Cara here. I just love those 2 companies. I think they're going to do great, especially AMD long term. I mean, I can't imagine AMD being under $20 within the next couple months, if not 25 or more. I think they're undervalued. I think the market really doesn't understand what's happening with AMD. I think a lot of people bought in thinking they were going to do great because of crypto, and yes, they did well. They gained a few dollars, but the whole backbone of this company really resides in the new technology that's being released, and we really haven't even seen the sales. So as this company continues to impress and steal market share from Intel and Nvidia, I can only expect this company to rise. So if you haven't owned AMD, I mean, at least pick up one or 2 shares and just start to follow them, and look past the crypto mining currency, because it's really a bigger play than that. Other than that, I put a few shares into DCTH today. They were supposed to do a press conference today, and I really haven't heard much. I guess we'll see what happens. I haven't even followed up on the news. I'm just I bought on 2 shares for 23 cents each just to kind of follow them. Overall, the portfolio is doing pretty well. I'm excited to see what happens. As you can see, we've dropped down from 41% from the last time I made a video, and we're right around 30. I do expect the market to pick up here. The last couple of days have been a total sell-off. The Dow and NASDAQ are down, so this is kind of expected. Maybe the end of the week into next week, we can really see these companies brighten up again, especially with AMD. As I buy more shares, I really expect AMD to start hitting around $15, and that would be just great. If you guys got any comments, comment below. Definitely subscribe. Hit me a like. Throw a comment in. I would really love to hear what you have to say. If you got a company that you think I should be checking out, I have no problem taking a look at it. And who knows, I might even buy a few shares. I'm always grateful for new advice, and look forward to hearing back from you. You guys have a great day, and take it easy.